My Samsung oven just was on broil and a long loud buzzing sound came from the oven and it was lit up inside, I think on fire. Now it won't do anything, not even show time. What happened and how much would it cost to replace?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Is this a gas or electric oven?
It is electric.
Okay, so unfortunately it sounds like your element may have shorted out. Either that or the oven just caught on fire. Either way, at this point your control board shorted out because there is nothing else that would cut power to the display itself. You would want to remove the broil element and test continuity through the element to make sure the element has continuity. If the element has continuity, then plug the oven in and make sure the oven is getting 220 volts from your house to the terminal block at the back of the oven. If that all checks good, you need to replace the control.
I also wanted to know an estimate on the price to fix it if it's one or both problems. I need to just have an idea so I know if I should just buy a new one instead.
Certainly. To replace the control board it would be about $300 or so with parts, trip, and labor. The element wouldn't cost much more than just the part, so if you need that, it would be another $50. Also, I see you gave me a negative rating. Is there something I can do to improve your rating?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.